Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Jesse. I'm back again for the 164th time this week. YouTubers reviewing Animal Mintz versus Purple Hindu. It's cart versus cart. How we do it? Battle them out. Let's see which one's higher. Oh, wow. Animal Mintz. Purple Hindu is at 72.82%. Terps is 9.25, pretty high. Uh, Elements is higher by 8% more. 8.19% THC, 5.57% Terps. Batch number 10, 10, 11. Really don't give a fuck. But I'm gonna go with Purple Hindu. What? Damn, I haven't smoked none of this. Maybe a little. Damn. Wham, bam, and thank you, Miss Dawson. Yeah, I'll probably have to go get another cart tomorrow for another video. And I hope everybody had a great Friday night out there, YouTubers. I'm surprised this damn thing hasn't tried to turn black yet. Turn tarnished yet. 4, 5. There we go. It's coming on right there in the camera. You ready? Set. Damn mess of America. Oh, no wonder I'm getting fucking low, fucking high as hell. Fucking Terps is high. I mean, I review pre-rolls every once in a while, but I'm mostly into carts now. I know when I came on the scene years ago, whenever they started legalizing marijuana, fucking, I was like, yeah, I better step up my YouTube game by fucking making marijuana YouTube videos like I am now. I mean, I had my fun with the vaping and all that stuff, man. I was just fucking with my stomach and shit too much YouTubers. That's supposed to be cool here in Oklahoma. Where y'all from, YouTubers? I know some of y'all are from different states and stuff. I stuck with this look for a while now. I think this is the best look I like so far. No, I did all myself. I like it better because I don't have to cut all that other hair off. I mean, I do the shave. After that, it's fuck. Looks good. I had a club down the street where I live at now. It's called Sooner Corral. Fucking, some guy was telling me, I know why you don't have a soul patch. Yeah, why? Because you got no damn soul. What? I got a soul. If I didn't have a soul, I'd be dead. Hey, all those day doing YouTubers, mine been going fine. Just got done with WWE SmackDown about an hour or two. I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour and a half ago. Oh, my bad. I paid $1,000 for that. This is a white gold. I wish. Oh, this is white gold. I have an iPhone. But seriously, oh, look inside the drip tip. Look at that. Damn, you could look real good in that damn thing. Now they can see it better on that camera than I can the naked eye. Now I'm gonna give that battery a break and hit the purple Hindu. Like a purple Hindu with a. Yeah, it is purple Hindu. Where the hell did it go? Oh, it's Animal Mints. The higher one. Damn, there's still left in this? Damn. Yeah, like I said, I might have to pick up another car for another video tomorrow. Oh, the dispensary's making money. Well, I gotta find a way to make money. So do we weed? That must taste just like the Tahoe G, but it's not it. Okay, those two cards I'm reviewing. It's in the Sour Diesel. Gotta find that son of a bitch. Oh, I found it. Alright. Sour Diesel. We just bought that. It'd be food. Sour Diesel, the one. A brand new cart. I just bought this yesterday. Yeah, Sour Diesel. Yeah, look at the bubbles in that damn thing. Yeah, I haven't even hit this barely since last night. And at least 1 to 3 thumbs up in this video, YouTubers. I appreciate it. Thank y'all. What else do you think I should review from now on? Just stay with that cart, the carts, disposables and stuff, or go back to flour? Yeah, but you burn your money fast. Yeah, that's the only reason why I like carts. That's it, YouTubers. I'm out. Peace. Deuces, see you in the next video. Oh,